Okay, so hi guys, it is Buffy here. Welcome back to my channel, and today we have another Mercari unboxing haul, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I'm really excited about this one, so let's get into it. Ooh. I hope like the birds and like car noises and things like that aren't too distracting. I currently have my window open, so hopefully they're not too loud and too distracting. Okay. I haven't filmed an unboxing or anything in so long. It feels nice, but it feels a little bit weird at the same time to be filming one of these. Okay. Let's just cut this open. Here, and so the first one is this really cute Haru card. Take this out so you can see her a bit better. And so this is from Nature World Code A. I have never seen this card before. Like I've never seen it being up for trade, sale, anywhere. And I saw it and I just thought it was so cute. The dress looks stunning. I want one. So I couldn't not get it. And plus, it's always quite a challenge to find nature photo cards, even on Mercari, where I usually get them. I usually have to scroll for so long just to find one. But again, we have another nature card. I'm hoping I don't have this one. I don't think I do, but I have this Uche card again from Code A. I'm slowly but surely finishing my Code A collection. I'm just kind of, my brain won't clearing the backlog, but that's not what I meant. I've been watching too many PlayStation videos about platinum trophies where they say like, I'm going to clear the backlog of my games, but no. I'm just completing the older eras, basically, or trying to. And again, we have another nature card. This time it is Sohi, this really cute one. Again, I've never seen this card. I didn't even know that it existed. But I saw it and I was like, and it was for like a really cheap as well. And I was like, I saw it and I was like, I have to have it. I have to have it. The only thing I'm like ever so slightly worried about is like if I have too many Code A cards. Because I'm not starting a third page for this era. I just want to keep it as a double spread. Okay, so we have this really cute thank you note. Again, it's another Uche card. And it is this one. I think just off the top of my head, I have, this is probably just going to be like a wrong number, but I think I have maybe 5 photo cards to fill up the page. So all of these nature cards are definitely putting like a dent in that, you know. But we're getting closer. I can taste victory. All right. Oh, God. Dropping everything. Okay, so now we have, if I put this out, some Rocket Punch Judy cards. So this is from their 3rd official fan kit. So we have the postcard and the 2 photo cards. I saw pictures of this and I was like, I need like at least 1 photo card from this, because like it's the hair, it's the bow, like, oh, I just love everything about this. And I saw someone sell, I saw the set being sold, so the 2 photo cards, do you mind? The 2 photo cards and the postcard, and I was like, you know what, let's go for it. It's not a bad deal. Okay. So we have a WGS and Diane card, and this one is from this one is from the 2020 Season's Greetings. Ooh, if I can get it out of the top loader, that'd be great. That's the back. That's the front, and I just thought she looked really, really cute. And yeah, as I've mentioned quite a few times, I do want to expand my Dayoung non-album stuff. So we have more nature cards. I think there's going to be just a lot of nature in here anyway. If I can actually like, oh, I dropped my box cover. Okay, so we have this set, this C'est Bon set. Sorry, I blanked on a name, I'm so sorry. So you have this C'est Bon set, which I think was the only set I needed for Code W, I think. I think the all else that I was missing was just like the other version of members cards, and I think I have completed Code W in terms of album cards. Okay, so we do have a Pob. We have C'est Bon's with Mew photo card, and I just think she looks so gorgeous in this picture. I had the compulsion to get that card, and I was just like, I'm getting it. I don't know where it's going to go, but I'm getting it. So we have this, I believe, given the way it feels, I think this might be like a lucky draw or a Soundwave card. Please leave in the comments, like, well, or I could just put on screen if I find it, like where this is from. I believe this might be a Soundwave like lucky draw card, or just a Soundwave card in general, but yeah, it's from Sequence. and I found it on Mercari for a really, really good price. I wasn't originally going to get it, but I was just looking on eBay and I saw it and I was like, I kind of want it, but not for the price they were selling it on eBay. And so I just looked on Mercari and I found it for so much cheaper. And I was just like, it's fate. It's fate at this point. Let's do it. Okay, so for context behind these two, as you guys know, I don't collect Jennie from Blackpink. I only collect Rosé, but my best friend collects Jennie, and we both wanted the Oreo photo cards, but everywhere we looked, they were so expensive. Like, some people were selling these for like $40 a pop, and I'm just like, it's not that deep. They are not worth that much. So I just looked on Mercari and I found a set for her. So they are technically not mine. They are, on a slight technical level, hers. But yeah. And the same with this one, which is the YG Select photo card. Which, like, again, people are overpricing the hell out of these Oreo cards, man. Like, it's not that deep. Like, they're not that expensive. Although I could maybe understand because they are so difficult to find outside of Asia. Like, I did buy a couple of boxes of like just the Oreos, and I had to get them from Mercari. Not Mercari, sorry. K-Town for You. But yeah, even on K-Town for You, they were not that expensive. The only thing was like the K-Town for You listing. They weren't the boxes that came with the photo cards. It was literally just the Oreos, and I was like, if I get photo cards, then cool. If I don't get the photo cards, then like, that's fine as well, because I'm more or less like, I can just buy the photo cards separately. This is like some heavy duty stuff. Okay. I saw this and I was like, did I get like an album or something? Like, I don't remember buying an album. But no, if I can open this, that'd be great. I got this Handong photo card. I saw this for like a really, really good price, and I just thought like she looks so pretty, and I want to expand my Dreamcatcher non-album collection just because I just want to fill up like I don't want to have empty pages, and I don't want to combine stuff. So yeah. Oh, that's so cute. So I think this is the last anti-fragile photo card that I needed to complete the collection. Oh my god, there are so many sleeves on this. Like triple sleeves. Anyway, but yeah, so this was the last photo card that I needed from the, I believe this is from the compact version. I might be wrong. But yeah, now I think Anti-Fragile is either 100% complete or almost complete. I know I'm complete with album stuff. Now I more or less just have to worry about like pogs, but I'm not too fussed really with pogs, if I'm honest. Again, that's cute. Okay, how do I open this? we have this rosé photo card, which I think is just so cute. I'm not 100% sure like where this is from. This, I don't know if it's Apple Music or whatever. I know that it comes in a set, and like there's the selfie and then there's the concept card. I kind of annoyingly found like the selfie and then the compact being sold separately, and so I just bought the selfie version. And then like a couple of pages later I found a set of the compact and not compact, sorry, concept and the selfie. I don't think I ended up buying it. Sorry. Just because like I already had the selfie that I wanted. And here is, sorry, it's a car. So here is the, I think the last unit that I needed to complete Anti-Fragile. I wasn't going to collect the units. I think I just like, I ended up getting one, and then I was just kind of like, and then I think Sakura is only in 2, and so I was just kind of like, I might as well just complete it. It's not that hard to find. Oh. Sorry if you had like a clang in the background, something just fell off my bed, but it's fine. So this Rocket Punch Judy card is the final Flash card that I needed. This is the last Flash album card. I'm so happy to be finally finished with Flash. It was such a pain to complete because 2 album cards look almost identical, and then the pre-order cards also look very similar to the album cards, and I was just getting so confused. And so here we have another Blackpink Rosé card. Again, I'm not sure where it's from. But yeah, since I've completed the Born Pink album cards, I'm now just focusing on pods for Born Pink, and then I will officially be done with Born Pink. Ooh. And then here we have Aurora's set. For each word code W. I do already have this card, and I only needed this one. So yeah, I think, okay, so I tell it, yeah, so I was about to say, I tell a lie, I did need Aurora set, but no, I didn't. I just needed one Aurora card, and I'm just trying to think what else I'm missing, because I don't remember. Oh, right, yes. It was Sohee. Yeah, I think I was missing this Sohee card. I think that's it. I might be wrong. I feel like I'm wrong. Okay, so here is Rosé's YG Select Oreo photo card. Yeah, I was seeing people sell this for like $40, like a stupid amount, and I'm just like, no, And then I found it on Mercari for £10, and I'm just like, overpricing. We love that for you, bestie. Oh, did I? Oh my god, no! Oh no! This is the irritating thing about the way people package these things. Is like, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. So I got like a little folder thing for Rosé, but I've cut into the bottom of it. Ah! Yeah, this is the irritating thing about the way sometimes people package these things, is you don't know what's in the package. And it's like, oh, you try to like get into things, but it's like you can't. Sometimes you can't. Oh, hang on. Sorry, I'll get into that. I'll open this first. And like you cannot tell what's in them. And like, because I felt this, and I was thinking like, oh, is that just what's in there? No, this is also in here as well. Oh, I'm so mad. Damn it, damn it. I mean, it wasn't that expensive, so I'm not that mad, but I'm just like, oh! Damn it, damn it, damn it. It goes this way. So we've got the little name tag. That was like, this has like always been my #1 fear. And then I also got this little keychain. Like this, that's been my #1 fear with buying things from Mercari. Is literally that. Is accidentally like cutting into it. Like, I can't use it now. I should just bin it. Oh, I'm so mad. But like, yeah, that's literally like my #1 fear. And it has been my #1 fear for forever, basically. Ooh, what's this? Oh, oh, no, it's not what I thought it was. Okay. So, I don't really know what those are. Anyway. So we have both of Rosé's Oreo photo cards. So we have #4. And then we have #9. I was debating on getting the group cards as well, but I don't really have the desire to get them, nor do I really have the space. So I just didn't bother. And then last but not least, we have Sakura's Fearless Japanese cards. I have all 3 of them. I basically just saw them being sold as a set, and I was just kind of like, I'm gonna collect them anyway. I might as well just get them now while they're somewhat like cheap. And yeah, I did see a listing of someone like selling like all versions of the album, and I was gonna get that, but I was just like, nah. But anyway, let me do a quick little wrap up. Okay, so that is everything in this unboxing. Sorry if the camera's a little bit wobbly, I'm just holding it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again in another video very, very soon. Bye!